Hey guys, so today I'm taking you with me to Burlington, and I actually found amazing stuff when I went last week, but I didn't have my camera with me, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna go back. And I found all this Glamlite stuff and it was really cool. They had so many, so I'm gonna go back, take you guys with me and see what else we can find. They actually just redid my Burlington. They're still redoing it. It is huge and I was like so impressed with the selections. They have so much inventory and clothes and workout clothes. It's crazy. So let's go into Burlington and see what cool stuff they have. Okay guys, let's head into Burlington. The first thing I found is this pink sugar set. This is forever one of my favorite fragrances. This set was $16.99. I also found a bunch of those like random big sets that you can find around the holidays. And this is an Ellen Tracy set. You guys know we see this brand all the time at TJ Maxx as well. So I just wanted to share with you guys some giftable sets that they had. They also had tons of beauty refrigerators or skincare fridges. They were everywhere. These were pretty affordable. They were $34.99 and this one actually came with a jade roller. I went to the fragrance section next and I was pretty surprised to find a Kim Kardashian scent. This is her Pure Honey fragrance and I didn't even know that Flower Beauty had fragrances, but I found two of them. These were only $9.99. So let me know if you guys have tried a Flower Beauty fragrance before. I also just wanted to share with you guys some other gift sets I found, and they also had a lot of facial steamers. I really want to try one of these. It looks so interesting and just like a fun spa experience. And those were $14.99. I found this light bar, which is perfect if you have a low light situation in your bathroom. You can throw this on, it sticks right on, and it was only $7.99. I found tons of nail polishes. I actually really like this brand London Town, and this brand Lacquer is great as well. They had sent me a bunch of PR a couple years ago. I really like their colors. I also found these nail art tattoos. These are the Inked brand. Some Bare Mineral mini sets. I found so many of these CoverGirl lip paints in a bunch of different colors. These were only $2.99. I'm just assuming these probably didn't sell too well, so that's why they all ended up at Burlington. I also found this Bare Minerals Liquid Glow for $9.99 in the shade Whimsy, a Bobbi Brown bronzer in Antigua, this Black Up foundation. This was $9.99. You can find this brand at Macy's. Here is the start of my Glamlite finds. I found this S'mores highlight palette. This is super cute. And then I found this Glamlite burger palette. This was actually on a separate day, so you will see my nails are different. This is $16.99 and look how fun this is. So these aren't necessarily like a high retail price, so it's not discounted too much, but I think it's just something that was like viral and fun. And look how cute this is. Oh my goodness, I love this. The names are so cute of all the shadows and the packaging is just goals. I also found the Glamlite Viva Taco palette. And look how fun those swatches are. I absolutely love the packaging on this one too. I can see why these are so popular because they are just adorable. I absolutely love tacos and anything that has to do with like burritos or anything like that. So this was $14.99. Just the cutest palette ever. Just such a fun palette. And then I found the Glamlite Pizza Slice palette. This is so funny. And even the colors in this one I actually thought were really pretty. I love purple and oranges. This palette was actually only $12.99. So let me know if you guys have tried any of these Glamlite palettes. Do you like the quality? I've actually never tried this brand before. And that's just an overview of the display. And then this, of course, we know this palette from TJ Maxx, and this is the Too Faced Pretty Rich Erica Jane palette for $19.99. I also found this BH Sweet Shop Sprinkles brush set. This was $14.99. I've been finding so many BH Cosmetics brush sets recently. I thought this was a great brush from the Creme Shop. It's a pro, looks like a highlighter brush. Really nice and fluffy. 2 Shea Moisture lip balms. You guys, I love Shea Moisture, amazing brands. And do you believe these were only $1.99? That is a steal. I found this Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue. I have actually heard great things about this. Next up are these cute sets from Deborah Lippmann. This one's called I Like Me Better. Remember when her brand was so popular? This is a cute little e.l.f. set. It's called Speak for Your e.l.f. for $5.99. This was another Becca product that I found. It's a glow gloss, and I actually also found this at TJ Maxx over the past couple months. This is the Bobbi Brown Skin Finish Foundation. I found 2 shades. This was priced higher. This was $19.99. I also found the Milani Scream Queen foundation. I only found one really light shade though. This was such a cool find. I actually have a whole review on this palette. It's the Buxom Tiki Bar palette, and this has 6 eyeshadows, a highlighter, and their blush Insatials, which is like one of my favorite blushes, and this was $16.99. If you guys remember, I also did a whole review and video on this for Vlogmas. It's the LA Colors Advent Calendar, and they also had this Rimmel eyeshadow palette for $3.99. More BH brushes. This is the Poolside Chic brush set. I actually really like that it came with a cute little pouch for your brushes, and this was $14.99. The e.l.f. Mint Melt brush set. I also found this Mint Melt face cleanser for only $3.99. I hadn't seen this product at any other store yet. I know everyone loves this Philosophy cleanser. It was $24.99. I've actually never tried this before. PSA, you can find Ioni lashes. You get 8 pairs at Burlington for $8. That's $1 for a lash pack. And these are all the same lash styles that you can actually find at Dollar Tree. So make sure you check those out. And I also found some more Purity products. Thayer's toner, one of my absolute favorite toners. I thought this was a great set from Eva NYC. This is the Clean It Up shampoo set for $5.99. I found a lot of Kate Somerville products as well in the skincare section. This is really cool. It's from Winky Lux. It's the Disco Gloss for $3.99. I found 2 shades of the full-on lip polishes from Buxom. And these were more like purpley pinkish shades. These were only $5.99. More of these Winky Lux PH glittery lip glosses. These actually change to the color of your lips. And this is another Buxom find. Here is another one of those Winky Lux glittery glosses. I thought these were so cool. This is the Viva Plump from Buxom in Kiss and Tell. That was $5.99. This is a cute set. It's the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Melon Glow set. So you get the Dew Primer as well as the Jelly Pop Glow Stick. This was $6.99, and I don't think I've seen this particular set before. More products from Philosophy in the bath section. This is Crispy Marshmallow Bars for $10.99. I also found this Shea Moisture Coconut Oil Shimmering Body Lotion, Philosophy White Pear, and that's the body wash, as well as Citron and Sage. One of my favorite brands, Alafia. I love their brand and their products. Really great like mission statement. These were in the hair section, and these were so gorgeous. If you are a bride and you're looking for a hairpiece, head to Burlington. These were only $6.99. I think when I got a hairpiece like this, it was like over $100 because I had one very similar to these. And these are so pretty and sparkly. Oh my goodness, I love those. I also found a heatless hair curler for $5.99. These hats were so cute. These were from the Badgley Mishka brand, and I love the little jeweled rhinestones. Really like kind of up my alley. Those were $12.99. Doesn't love the Revlon air dryer brush. This is not the latest one. I think it's like the second one that they made, the second version, and this thing is just awesome. I did a video on it if you guys want to check that out. It is so easy to use. It basically makes your hair look like you have a professional salon quality blowout. Okay, moving on to clothes. I found so much Wild Fox for such low prices. I really like this brand. It used to be popular a while ago, and now I found so many of their stuff on clearance at Burlington, and their shirts are so comfortable. These are the baggy beach jumpers. Those are the names of them. This was only $8.99. So cute. They had a lot of different sizes. I also saw this one and I fell in love with the pale light color. They do have like a worn in kind of look to them. These are the sweaters. They had tons of these. This is called like the summer sweater. And this is a different brand, Sun Dry. Their stuff is really pricey, but I found this sweater, which was so cute, for $9.99. That came home with me. And then just sharing with you guys a bunch of other Wild Fox sweaters I found. They had lots of clearance ones too. This one was only $12.99. As well as this one, another baggy beach jumper. Okay, you guys, I scored at checkout. I was shocked. I found all the Glamlite scented lip glosses. So this one is Peach Margarita and Hot Chocolate. Oh my gosh, I was like, wait a second. This is crazy. These were only $4.99. So they were kind of hidden. So make sure you are checking your checkout. I also found s'mores, and these are supposed to be scented just like the name of the product suggests. And all the colors looked really pretty too. I'm not much of a dark lip person, but I did like that one. This one shocked me. Look how pretty that swatch is. This is Red Velvet and it's a lipstick. So let me know if you guys have tried any of these. This one is Churros. I was eyeing that one for sure. Look how pretty that is. It also has a mirror. And then I found Donut and Pecan Pie. I mean, who doesn't love food scented lip glosses? These are gorgeous. Let me know which one you guys like best. So those were my scores today at Burlington. Let me know if you guys found the same stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!